The one who didn't run away. Yes. Thank you for not running away. All right. We're very proud of being the winners for the national dress competition in Harare, hosted by the First Lady, our mother, who is doing wonders for the nation. Manicaland, like I've said, we want to take it to another level. But with our youth, eager to get involved in these things, especially when it comes to modeling and other competitions. It is it feels we feel very great that we were the winners. It was a tough competition. I actually never thought we would win, but as we know, best men come from the east, so do wise men. Thank you.
I'm a founder of Say Albert Designs, and we will launch this label Albert Design very shortly soon. So this event was so amazing, it was so interesting, and anyone wakawanda big names, but tundutinda mari we shine through, we sell through, and say Manicaland, we represent Manicaland. Tangatiskangozvitari kuti tinga beat all those big names, but here we are so thankful, so great. This national, our beautiful national fabric, and takamix and kafra suiting, so that we will come up with something elegant, something unique, and this shansa this Nigerian theme yema suits. So we end up coming up with these unique designs using our natural talents.
Right, I'm under Tafadzwa Simba, 22. I'm actually grateful for the fact that I was nominated to represent Manicaland at the State House for the national dress, and winning was something that we weren't expecting, to be honest, because the competition was very stiff. But by the grace of the Almighty, we managed to win. That's all I can say. Wow.
Nyasha Gerald Mukonyora II. I'm 30 years old. I was excited to be called. I was picked randomly in the street at some point. She want you to be a model for some fashion show. So it led to this now, to being part of my designs at Albert. Albert, the designer, is a very talented designer. This competition was good, but it was a different experience for me. We did not quite expect to win. The underdog story. Underdog story, which the underdog becomes maybe a victor. So initially, I was kind of trying to come maybe you might not win, but that belief here would motivate yourself. Motivate yourself. Said no, this designer is a very talented designer. They were just extremely good. So I believe it was a good case. As far as whether I'll continue with modeling, I believe I will. I believe I try to be a jack of all trades. So I'll just try to do what has to be done. At the same time, lift the name Manicaland. That's the biggest thing.
Saka, does this coincide with your profession?
Does it coincide with my profession? Well, it does not quite, but to an extent it does, because there are opportunities also in this industry for my profession as a lawyer. There are also opportunities in that same industry. So I do believe it can coincide. I did find a few things, I identified a few things. So I believe it does coincide to some extent with my career.
Hello guys, my name is Mellisa Nakai Matsikure, aka Yellow Chyna. So, go ahead and ask because I forgot. 2022. It feels amazing because Manicaland is not out there in the fashion industry. People usually take Manicaland as a province that's not that out there. So winning this is actually a very big honor. What's next? We're trying to push Manicaland out there so that people would actually recognize us as the fashion industry.
What would be your message to Mnangagwa?
Thank you for having us, and thank you for giving us a chance to showcase our talents, be it modeling and designing.